Hey guys, it's Erin back here with another video. So as you can tell by today's title, I am doing something a little different. I haven't done a twist out for one in forever. I think it's been probably since like 2017 since I've done a regular twist out. I do flat twist outs normally, but I haven't done like a regular basic twist out since probably like 2017. So today I'm doing a regular twist out for the first time in years, and I'm also using grease on this twist out. So technically, yes, it does say coconut oil, but it's really like it's not, natural coconut oil, so it is a hair grease, basically, like used to use back in the day. So yeah, it says contains pure coconut oil and jojoba oil to make hair soft and glossy while protecting your style and keeping your hair moist and healthy. Prevents breakage, split ends, dryness, protects your hair from daily trials and tribulations, keeps your scalp lubricated and free from unsightly flaking, helps control soft and new hair growth. So, yeah. Yeah, so this is the coconut oil one. This is the only grease I had, so that's why I'm using this grease. But yeah, so we'll see how this works out. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so one more thing before I get started. The directions say, massage gently onto all areas of hair and scalp, comb through to distribute thoroughly, repeat daily, use small amounts to control soft, new growth around face and neck. So that just kind of gives me the vibe that they think, I guess, that this is usually used for like relaxed hair, because it says to control new growth, so I'm thinking like I guess, because when you have relaxed hair, like your new growth be like a little, wavy or whatever, or curly. So that's why I think this is for like relaxed hair typically. But yeah, so we're about to see how it works on a twist out. I do typically wet my hair before doing any type of like twist out or whatever. Well, really before doing any kind of style like this. But I'm not gonna wet my hair today because I want to see, like, I don't know, I just want to see how it's gonna work without water and stuff. But so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start grabbing the product. I also didn't put any leave-in on, and I'm not sure if that was smart or not, but I guess we'll see once I'm finished if that was smart or not to not put any leave-in on. Just gonna take a Tangle Teezer. I mean, it provides me a pretty good definition, if nothing else. My hair feels soft. Greasy, yes, but soft. And moisturized. So this is actually a really small twist. All my twists would not be this small, y'all. I don't know why this one came out this small. But, yeah. I'm really excited to see how this comes out, because I feel like it's gonna come out really cute and really good, because it's like really shiny, as you can see. And yeah, I have high hopes for this. I feel like my ends feel like a little bit dry, so that's why y'all see me putting this heavily on my ends, because my ends feel like dry. All right, guys, so I am done with my hair. It took, I don't know, like probably like 20-30 minutes. It didn't take long at all. So yeah, um my prediction is that, because this is like a little experiment for me. So my prediction is that my hair is going to come out very soft and very soft, and I think very fluffy. Like, I think it'll be very defined. It's not gonna be very frizzy, but I do think it's gonna be very fluffy. I don't know. I just feel it that way. I feel like my hair kind of soaked in the oil, but left some kind of on the shaft, if that makes sense, where it's like gonna be shiny, but soft and frizzy. Not frizzy, but fluffy, but defined. So I'm really excited to see how this is gonna turn out. I usually do spray each section with water when I'm doing a twist out, but because I'm using grease, I decided not to do that because I don't know. To me, just like how water and oil just don't really mix. I don't know. I just kind of felt like water and grease wouldn't mix and it just wouldn't do right with my hair. So I decided not to spray my hair with water. And I also didn't put on leave-in conditioner. So technically, this is a one product twist out using grease. Because I didn't put any products on my hair other than the grease. So I'm super excited to see how it's going to turn out. So here's my prediction. I think it's going to be shiny, fluffy, defined, and soft. Those are my predictions. So I'm really, 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 really excited about the turnout of this. I'm going to go ahead and set it in the dryer for about 20-30 minutes because I think, I need to let it just dry a little bit more before I go to sleep, because you don't want to go to sleep on wet twists, because then your hair is going to be flat. Like, your twists are going to be flat, and then it's just not cute. You want your twists to be juicy and stuff. So I'm about to sit in the dryer for about 20-30 minutes and then go to sleep, and then I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the takedown process, which I'm so excited about. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm about to take down my twist. So they're looking really juicy, really shiny, which is good. And I typically take oil to take down my twist, but because I use grease on my twist, I'm thinking about not taking oil because it's just too, I don't want my hair to be greasy, like too greasy. But yeah, so it's really soft. Right off the back, it's super duper soft. Like, it's so soft and so juicy, y'all. Like, do you see this? I should have did this one a little better because I can see this might be a little frizzy, but all right. So I think that I've taken all the twists down. If y'all can just see like the definition and the shine. Like, it looks great. I'm so excited for this. I do think it's gonna be like a little shrunken, but whatever, it's okay. So yeah, we're just gonna start separating. Okay, so I finished styling my hair. I wouldn't call this a complete fail. Honestly, I think the only reason it's a fail is because I did my hair was a little wet still when I was taking it down, and I didn't realize it until like I was separating it, so it was too late to try to go back and let it dry some more. But yeah, so I wouldn't call this a complete fail. I think it's pretty cute. It's more frizzy than I would like, but that's probably because it wasn't completely dry. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a nice comment and to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.